Heating and water are essential when living off-grid. When living off the grid, producing heat is still a big challenge. Most challenges can be overcome by solar energy, but it would be impossible to heat an entire house if you only use deep cell batteries and photovoltaic panels. There are many kits available for off-grid solar installation, and batteries for off-grid solar are becoming more efficient each year. One such battery example is the Tesla Powerwall off-grid power source. When you make the decision to live off the grid, many of the prized possessions that you own become completely useless. Perhaps even more interesting is the fact that the items you once felt were irrelevant instantly become more important. Of course, the advent of solar-powered water pumps made pumping water simple in sunny weather, but what about during long stretches of cloud cover? So what are you going to do? Fuel is required for generators. Hand pumps only need a small amount of effort. You can get water from a well using electricity if you use a hand-operated pump. Gardening and considering livestock. Going off the grid involves more than just detaching from city amenities like power and water. Starting to grow a vegetable garden will help you become much more self-sufficient. Fruit trees can be a choice to complement your growing, depending on your area. Don't forget about livestock. Chickens are easy to hold and produce eggs, and rabbits are another common off-grid small farm animal. They reproduce easily, produce meat, and are relatively simple to raise. Animal dung, as well as excess plant matter, can be composted to provide additional nutrients to the soil. Chickens can also consume garden bugs, and animal feces can be converted into fertilizer. Your garden can also be set up to be fully self-sufficient.